In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Glide. By the end, you'll have a clean, drag-and-drop board that organizes tasks into clear stages, perfect for tracking projects, support tickets, content pipelines, or anything that moves from to do to done. First, head to the Glide website and sign in. Use your regular account and make sure you have access to the workspace where your app lives. Signing in ensures Glide can pull your existing data sources and lets you save changes to your project seamlessly. Next, open the project you want to edit. This takes you into the Glide editor, where you'll see your app's preview on one side and the configuration panels on the other. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right screen or tab within your app where you want the Kanban board to appear. Keeping your target screen selected helps you place the new component exactly where it belongs. Now, look for the Components area and click the Add icon. It's the plus button that lets you insert new building blocks into your screen. This menu is where you'll find layout elements, lists, and, of course, specialized views like the Kanban board. Choose Kanban from the list of components. As soon as you add it, Glide will drop a placeholder onto your screen and prompt you to connect data. A Kanban board displays items as cards and groups them into columns based on a status or category field. Think of columns like Backlog, In Progress, and Completed, and cards as the individual tasks or records moving through those stages. When prompted, choose your source data. You can connect to a table that already holds the items you want to manage. For the smoothest setup, that table should include at least a title or name for each item and a status type field that defines the stage each item is in. Once you select the table, map the fields. Glide asks for, typically a title for the card, and a field that determines the column grouping. Glide will automatically group your items by that status field, creating columns for each unique value it finds. If your data already includes notes, owners, due dates, or priorities, those can appear on the cards as well, giving you quick context at a glance. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your Kanban board live and shareable, and your users will instantly see the organized, visual workflow in your app. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.